Midnights in winter, the glowing fire lights up your face in orange and gold. I see your sweet smile shine through the darkness. Its line is etched in my memory, so I'd know you by heart. Mornings in April, sharing our secrets, we'd walk until the morning was gone. We were like children, laughing for hours. The joy you gave me lives on and on, 'cause I know you by heart. I still hear your voice on warm summer nights, whispering like the wind. You left in autumn, the leaves were turning. I walked down roads of orange and gold. I saw your sweet smile, I heard your laughter. You're still here beside me every day, 'cause I know you by heart. 'Cause I know you by I found a picture of your smiling face, bringing old memories that I had locked away. The burden of anger from a heart before goodbye. Well, I wanted to hurt you for the tears you made. You made me cry. All my hopes and dreams, well, they started vanishing. Yeah, those tender hurt feelings became a dangerous thing. Oh, if time is a healer, then all hearts that break are put back together again. 'Cause love heals the wound it makes all of those years we spent together. Well, they're part of my life forever. I hold the joy with the pain, and the truth is, I miss you, my friend. Well, time is a healer. All hearts that break, all hearts that break are put back together again. 'Cause love heals the wound, the wound. The wound it makes. For you, there'll be no crying. For you, the sun will be shining. 'Cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score.